In this video, I will show you how to change the layer label color in Adobe Illustrator in just few quick steps. Let's make your workspace easy to use. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Layer color is the outline you see when selecting objects. It shows which layer you are working on. For example, text layer may show a green box, shape layer may show a purple outline. Each layer has its own color. This helps you avoid editing the wrong layer. Sometimes the default color is hard to see, or maybe you want to use your favorite color. Changing the color helps organize your design. It also reduces confusion. So go to the top menu, click Window and Layer. You will now see all your layers. Pick the layer you want to change. Double click next to its name. A small window will pop up. Click the color box in the pop-up. Pick any color you like. You can also use the color wheel for more choices. Once you choose the color, click OK. Now the outline of your object will change to the new color. And that's it. Some important tips are use different colors for each layer. This helps you stay organized and you will avoid editing the wrong layer by mistake. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up so others can find it too. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Illustrator tips, tricks and tutorials.